Hello everyone and welcome to Being Foodie, and today's video is on what is a calorie. Well, the technical definition of a calorie is the amount of energy it takes to raise 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. In simple words, calories are the energy consumption and energy usage, energy that we consume in the form of food and drinks, and the energy used by our body in the day-to-day life, and mainly energy used for the digestion, body functions, and physical activity. So if we eat more calories or put more energy to our body, after using the required amount, our body stores rest of the energy as fat, resulting in weight gain. In the other hand, if we use more energy than we consume, then our body starts to lose weight. Everything we eat has a calorie count. That means how much energy it stores in its chemical bond. For example, one apple has 95 calories and a banana has 105 calories, the energy in its chemical bonds. So when we eat these food, the energy is released during the digestion and it's stored in the molecules of our body to give us energy whenever we need them. The average calorie intake for an adult woman is 1800 to 2200 calories per day, and for an adult man is 2200 to 2600 calories per day for people with moderate physical activities. The thing to note is that calorie intake depends on the factors like average weight, height, and age. So do everyone need the same amount of calories? Well, when your physical activities increases like cycling, swimming, running, etc., your energy expenditure is more. Thus, you need more calories. If you have sedentary lifestyle, then you may need less calories to balance the energy. It's same if your metabolic rate is slow, then you may need less calorie because the energy is burned slowly. Another important thing to note is that the calorie content in the nutritional fact of food just shows how much energy the food contains, but the energy you will get from it may vary. For example, food that contains more fiber like oats, broccoli, etc. takes more time to digest and your body uses more energy. So eventually you eat less calories from a serving portion in comparison to something that has same calories but takes less time to digest. Even though calories are the energy packs of our body, but doesn't work same for everyone. The energy also depends on person's age, metabolism, enzyme, and digestion process. Thus, every individual's extraction of energy from the food is different. But to keep our calories intake in track, it is important to understand our body's ability to process energy and maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating good food and regular exercise. Well, let's check on some food items to know which are the good calories and which are the bad calories. So here I have 5 baked Pringles of 150 calories and 1 cup of whole milk 150 calories. As you can see, the 5 baked Pringles of 150 calories only contains the potatoes and sodium and nothing else, whereas the 1 cup of whole milk of 150 calories contains the calcium, the vitamin D, and the healthy fats. 9 crackers of 150 calories and a bowl of healthy vegetables of 150 calories. Also, the 9 crackers contains only the refined flour, the saturated fats which are really bad for health, whereas a bowl of healthy vegetables of 150 calories contains all the necessary micronutrients. So next time when you have your meal, make sure that you are having healthy calories instead of the empty calories. And finally, to track how much calories you should eat in a day, just go to online BMR calculator, fill the blanks with your age, weight, height, etc. and calculate the amount of calories you should consume in a day. And to track how much you are eating, just look at the Nutri-Charts online or behind your food packets. So thank you so much for watching Being Foodie. I'm sure you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for notifications, comment and share the video with your loved ones. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.